Hey guys, welcome back. These peanut butter chocolate cups get eaten left, right, and center in our house. Our younger son enjoys this since he was a little kid, and in fact, it was one of the very first recipes that we would make together as father and son. All you have to do is line the cupcake liners with melted chocolate, follow it with the delicious peanut butter cream in the center, and top the rest with melted chocolate. And that is it. It is so easy. But I'm warning you that if you love peanut butter cups as much as I do, you won't be able to stop eating them. And they taste so much better homemade and they are fun to make. So let's get cooking. We first start by making the filling for the peanut butter cups, and for that I've got some crackers here. These are savory crackers, what you used to have with cheese and stuff like those. So lightly crush them, put them into a spice grinder or a food processor, and you blitz the crackers. These are savory crackers which are ground to a fine powder. Now you want it to be quite fine and not coarse, because when you put it into the cups there should be like a nice crunch, and that's why it's important that you blitz it to a fine powder. Once that is done, you transfer it into a glass bowl, and to sweeten this I am going to add some icing sugar. Always use icing sugar and not castor sugar or a white grain sugar. You want it to be in a powder form, so it mixes quite well with the crackers, and the crackers are very savory, so the sweetness really helps it together. Also with the chocolate, when you add this, it tastes quite nice. Then goes in our peanut butter. Now peanut butter, I've already shown you a recipe earlier how to make a homemade peanut butter, but you can buy a ready-made from a bottle. That's perfectly fine. But just lightly microwave the peanut butter for 30 seconds to make it slightly soft. So when you mix it up with the icing sugar and with the ground crackers, you get like a coarse, crumbly kind of a texture, like a doughish kind of a texture. So the fat in the peanut butter actually helps to mix together, or bind together rather, the icing sugar and the cracked ground crackers. Separately, melt some chocolate. Now, I am using a milk chocolate here, but you can use a dark chocolate. It is your personal preference. If you like a darker color for the chocolate and you don't have a dark chocolate, you can actually add cocoa powder into the melted chocolate to give it a dark color. Mix the chocolate till it is nice and soft and smooth. You can slightly warm it up into a double boiler or into a microwave, just enough for chocolate to melt. Now once the chocolate is melted, it is then poured into a mini muffin tin lined with a paper cup. So you basically spoon in a teaspoon of the melted chocolate at the bottom of the paper cup, and you let that just settle down so it becomes smooth. So once you line all the paper cups, on top of that you spoon in the mixture of the peanut butter and the crackers. This is approximately around 3/4 a teaspoon. It doesn't need to be shaped like a ball or anything, just lightly spoon it out and put it on top of the chocolate. After these are all topped up, you finally pour in melted chocolate on top of the cracker and the peanut butter mix, and all you do is you cover the peanut butter and the cracker mix with the chocolate. If slight amount is slightly visible on top, it is perfectly fine. It doesn't really matter. So the whole idea is that you literally form the center of the cup with this filling of peanut butter and the cracker mixture. So when you actually bite into it, you get the texture of the chocolate, you get the crunch of the cracker, and also the flavor of the peanut butter. Once you have filled up all the paper cups with the mixture, you can either keep it into your refrigerator for around 4 to 5 minutes to harden up, or leave it into a cold part of your kitchen for it to rest and harden up for approximately 15-20 minutes. Once that is done, your cups are now ready to be served. It is as simple as that. Just remove the paper, put into a plate, and you got to enjoy this. A very simple dish, a dish which I've always enjoyed making with my family. Very simple to make. You can add any flavors you like in the filling, and the best part is it's very kid friendly to make. So make sure you try them and leave your comments on the section below. Bon appetit and happy cooking. These are my peanut butter cups. Do enjoy.